Okay, that's cool. So he doesn't have anything to transform Stormkirk right now. And is trying to dredge. So let's do this. Well, if we keep doing this, it kinds of reminds us with cat oven. And we're back. My name is Ron. Welcome to my channel. You are watching Game Quarters and we're playing Magic the Gathering Arena. In today's gameplay, we will be using a Rakdos deck. And before we go into our deck list, I would like to thank everyone who has subscribed to our channel. And for those who haven't, please hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, and give this video a loving thumbs up. Yes, and also, if you do have any suggestions that you'd like to put down for me to improve this deck, or any decks that you'd like me to try out in this channel, please put it in a comment down below. So at least we can get something out of the community to try it out here in the channel. Okay, so let's go to our deck list. Let's see what we have. Okay, so for deck list here for creatures, basically these are like low casting cost creatures, 1 to 2, most of them. And then we have like 4 drops here, just for the late game or mid game. So let's start off with our creatures. We have 4 Rabbit Battery, 4 Reinforced Ronin. We have 3 Magda Brazen Outlaw. We have 3 so Kenzan Smelter, and 4 Blood Tithe Harvester, and 4 Skullport Merchant. For our 4 drops, we have Atsushi, the Blazing Sky. We have Thundering Raiju, that's 2. And then Angie, made of this honor, so that's also 2. For our artifacts, we have 4 Dragon Spark Reactor and Oni-Cult Anvil, that's 4 as well. For our instance, we have here Kami's Flare. Now, as you can see, we are trying to build up like artifact tokens here that we can use to sacrifice to the Oni-Cult Anvil, and also charge up the Dragon Spark Reactor, especially when we get them early in the game. The rest would be lands. We have 6 swamps, 2 Den of the Bugbear, 7 mountains, 4 Blight Step Way, and then we have 2 Hunted Ridge. Okay, so that's it for our deck list, and let's look for an opponent. So sit tight, relax, and enjoy the game. All right, here we go. So we'll be going first, and this is a pretty decent hand, although we only have 2 creatures, but we do have the Oni-Cult Anvil. So let's keep this. Sorry, I don't know what's wrong with my face. It's itchy lately. Okay, so I guess we're just waiting for our opponent to complete his mulligan, or if he's going to do a mulligan. All right. So we are still waiting. Oh, it's taking him quite some time. what does this do? Okay, here we go. Oops, what was that? So we'll be doing the Ronin first. It goes back to the hand. Ooh, I wonder what's wrong. No, there's a bit of a delay in my arena here. Not sure what's causing it. Okay, now this is a good thing since we do have two anvils. So in a way that's going to build up our board here. There you go. Okay, so he is trying to dredge. Oh, this is crazy. Sheesh, what's causing these delays? Like, there's a lag when I do it. I don't know what's wrong with my play right now, but hey, this is crazy. What can I say? And yep. Okay, so that's cool. What do you have for me? Oh, okay. So what are you going to put back? Nothing? Did you put back anything? Sacrifice this, submit one. And sacrifice this, submit one. And sacrifice another one. There you go. Alright, so this is really getting like a little bit out of hand. There was a misplay there. It shouldn't rely too much on like that automatic casting. Okay, that's cool. So he doesn't have anything to transform Stormkirk right now. And is trying to dredge. So let's do this. Well, if we keep doing this, it kind of reminds us with cat oven. So that's just a good game there. So that's it for our first game. Looked good. All right, we'll be going first, and this looks like a decent hand. Let's keep it. So first turn we will be doing the mountain and the Ronin. Then second drop we'll do the Magda. And hopefully on the fourth turn we'll be able to put down the Thundering Raiju. Ah, okay. So at this point, let's change plans. Let's still stick with the Reinforced Ronin. There you go. So of course, going to get a lesson, and what better lesson to learn but to get the card that draws that filters the land or gets a land. Environmental sciences. I'm lost. Okay, he has oh, interesting. So we'll be putting down the Dragon Reactor. There we go. So that will charge up the Dragon Reactor. If we get a land next turn, that will be sweet. But instead, we got a Blood Type Harvester. Let's do the Scalper first. So at least we'll have something to block the... Oh, then let's do this. That will charge up our Dragon Spark Reactor. Let's see if he's going to trade off with this wolf. I think so, yeah. I was actually hoping for that, but I don't know. Okay. That's a sweet deal. Okay, so we can do the Thundering Raiju, but let's try and charge up the reactor. So that's already 6. I don't mind. Oh, now that I mind. Is he going to attack? Yep, that's going to be a 5/5. And I think it's going to attack. That's it. Okay. So do we do the Thundering Raiju now? Or we can do this. And oh yeah. We can do the Thundering Raiju, or we can do this. Yeah, let's Oops, sorry. Let's pay with this. And submit this one. And let's attack. There goes Magda. Goes down to 10. Alright. We just need one more treasure. Oh my goodness. Is this sorcery stuff? Auto pay. So it's down to 1. And here we go for our last turn. Here it is. Okay, so we did take a mulligan there. This looks like we'll be able to make it work. Put this one back. Alright. That will work, I guess. We can put down the Dragon Spark Reactor on the next drop. Okay. And after that, the anvil. I guess we can also use this Valiant on the deck. What is it thinking about? What's there to think when you're just putting down the Oni-Cult Anvil? Okay. Let's pass the turn. Oh, so he has an anvil too. Makes sense. So he got me there. Oh my goodness, we didn't get a land. But we have this. And Magda. Nope, no attacks. We'll need that to charge up or to boost up Magda. So at least we can attack. I'll take that. Oh, he didn't attack. I wonder. So let's put that here. And this one. Yeah, we're crazy to attack. Although it's going to chump block Magda, I guess. What does this do? Sorry. Oh, didn't. So Magda lives another day. Uh-oh. I'll need to kill this one because that's going to kill us. Oh, just in time. So let's do this. There we go. We're still going to hit them with Magda, right? Yep. So that's 7. That's 8. I'm cool with that. So it decides to destroy the Ronin. Yep. And yeah, let's put this one down. Auto pad. And turn. And he gives up. And that's it for our game today. And thank you very much for joining me until the end of this video. Hopefully everything is going well for you and today and up till the rest of the week. You know, it's a Monday. And yeah, I know it's a Monday. Yeah, right. And now, see you on the next video. Again, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click that notification bell, give this video a loving thumbs up, and if there's anything in your mind, like leave a comment down below. So thank you guys for joining me. Happy gaming. Peace out.